As Magashule has hit back suspension attempt to suspend President Cyril Ramaphosa. That came out after a leakage of letter informing President Cyril Ramaphosa to step aside too, written by Magashule, as an appeal on his suspension. Gwede said, even if a letter was legit, Magashule has no power to suspend Ramaphosa, because in any organization, decision taken by structure, not individuals. Where there is an organization, there is a structure. On Wednesday night, a letter allegedly written by Magashule to Ramaphosa on his decision to suspend him in relation to the CR17 sealed bank statement. Does Ramaphosa still a president? Write your comment on the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and press notification button to be the first to see whenever I upload it.